Hello, my name is Sam. I live in Italy. My town is called Verona. It is a small, pretty town. Every day, I go to school. I play with my friends. I like to play soccer. I also like to read books. But I have a big dream. I want to go to London. London is a big city. It is in England. I see pictures of London in my books. There is Big Ben. It is a tall clock. There is the London Eye. It is a big wheel. There is also a palace where the Queen lives. I want to learn English. I think London is a good place to learn. In Verona, everyone speaks Italian. In London, everyone speaks English. One night, I sit with Mom and Dad. We are in our living room. Mom, Dad, I say, I want to tell you something. What is it, Sam? Mom asks. I want to study in London, I say. I want to go next year. Mom looks worried. But Sam, she says, London is very far away. It is a big city. Are you sure? Dad nods. We worry about you, Sam. You are safe here in Verona. I know, I say. But I am not a little boy now. I will be careful. I really want to learn English. Please think about it. Mom and Dad look at each other. Then Mom says, We love you, Sam. We want you to be happy. We will think about it. Thank you, I say. I hug them both. That night, I go to bed. I am happy. Maybe my dream will come true. Maybe I will go to London. Good news. Mom and Dad say yes. They say I can go to London. I am so happy. I run to find my best friend. His name is Alex. We play soccer together every day. Alex, I say, guess what? I am going to London. Wow, says Alex. That is great. I wish I could go too. Why don't you come with me? I ask. We can go together. Alex smiles big. Really? That would be amazing. I will ask my mom and dad. The next day, Alex has good news too. His parents say yes. Now we are both going to London. We are so excited. We have a lot to do. First, we need passports. A passport is a small book. It lets you travel to other countries. We go to get our passports. We fill out papers. We take photos. After 2 weeks, our passports arrive. Next, we need plane tickets. We look on the computer. We find good tickets. They cost a lot of money. We use our saved money to buy them. We will fly on a big airplane. We also need a place to live. We find a small apartment in London. It has 2 bedrooms. It has a kitchen. It is near our new school. Perfect. Now we pack our bags. We pack clothes, books, shoes, toothbrushes, some food from home. Mom puts in extra socks. London is cold, she says. The night before we leave, our families have dinner together. Everyone is happy and sad. Happy because we are following our dreams. Sad because we are leaving. Be good boys, says Alex's mom. Call us every day, says my mom. Study hard, says my dad. Take care of each other, says Alex's dad. We promise to do all these things. Tomorrow is the big day. Today is the day. We are going to London. At the airport, our families come to say goodbye. Mom cries a little. She hugs me tight. Be safe, Sam, she says. I will, Mom. I love you, I say. We say goodbye to everyone. Then Alex and I go into the airport. It is very big. There are many people. Some people are going on trips. Some people are coming home. We find our gate. We wait for our plane. We are nervous. We have never been on a plane before. Flight 245 to London is now boarding, says a voice. That's us, says Alex. We get on the plane. It is bigger than I thought. We find our seats. I sit by the window. Alex sits next to me. We put on our seat belts. The plane starts to move. It goes faster and faster. Then we are flying. I look out the window. The ground gets smaller and smaller. The houses look like toys. The cars look like ants. We are really flying, I say. This is amazing, says Alex. The flight is 3 hours long. Nice ladies bring us food and drinks. I have a sandwich and juice. Alex has the same. We read our English books. We are practicing. Then something happens. The plane starts to shake. What is that? Asks Alex. He looks scared. I don't know, I say. I am scared too. A voice says, Please stay in your seats. We have some turbulence. Turbulence means bumpy air. The plane shakes more. I hold my seat tight. Alex holds my hand. We are very scared. After 5 minutes, the shaking stops. We are okay. The plane is smooth again. That was scary, says Alex. Yes, I say. But we are safe now. Soon the pilot says, We are landing in London. I look out the window. I see a big city. I see many buildings. I see cars and buses. We are here. We are in London. The plane lands safely. We get our bags. We go through passport control. The man looks at our passports. Welcome to London, he says. We are so happy. We made it. We are in London. Our adventure begins now. We take a taxi to our apartment. The taxi is black. The driver is nice. First time in London? He asks. Yes, we say together. We look out the windows. Everything is new. We see red buses. They have 2 floors. Big buildings. Many people walking. Shops and cafes. Our apartment is small but nice. We have 2 small bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a tiny kitchen, a living room with a sofa. We unpack our bags. We are tired but excited. The next morning, we want to see London. We have a map. We plan our day. Let's see Big Ben first, says Alex. Good idea, I say. We take the subway. In London, they call it the Tube. It goes underground. It is fast. Big Ben is amazing. It is so tall. We take many pictures. Next, we go to the London Eye. It is a giant wheel. We buy tickets. We get in a glass box. It goes up slowly. From the top, we can see all of London. It is beautiful. Look, says Alex. There is the river, and there is a bridge, I say. After the London Eye, we walk to see the Queen's Palace. It is called Buckingham Palace. It is very big and fancy. Guards stand in front. They wear red coats and tall black hats. They do not move or smile. We walk and walk. London is very big. After a while, we get tired. I'm hungry, says Alex. Me too, I say. Let's find a cafe. We find a nice cafe. We sit down. We order. Tea. English people love tea. Sandwiches. Cookies. They call them biscuits here. But Thenno, no. Alex looks worried. Sam, he says, where is my bag? We look around. No bag. My passport is in there, says Alex. And my wallet. We are very worried. We look everywhere in the cafe. We ask the workers. Nobody has seen the bag. What do we do? Asks Alex. He looks like he might cry. Don't worry, I say. We will find help. We go to a police station. The police officer is kind. I lost my bag, Alex tells him. Where did you lose it? The officer asks. I don't know, says Alex. Maybe at the London Eye. Maybe at the palace. The officer writes everything down. He says, we will try to find it, but London is big. It may take time. Call this number tomorrow. We go home feeling sad. Alex is very upset. I'm so stupid, he says. No, you're not, I say. It was an accident. We will fix this. That night, we eat pasta from home. We feel better. Tomorrow is a new day. We will be more careful with our things. The next morning, we feel better. Alex calls the embassy about his passport. They will help him get a new one. Let's go to a park today, I say. No more tourist places for now. Good idea, says Alex. We go to Hyde Park. It is huge. There are big trees, green grass, a lake, many flowers, people running, dogs playing. We feel happy. The park is peaceful. Look, says Alex, we can rent bikes. Fun, I say. We rent 2 bikes. We ride on the paths. The wind feels nice. We laugh and race each other. But then something bad happens. Alex turns to look at me. He does not see a big rock. His bike hits the rock. Alex falls hard. Ow, he cries. My leg! It hurts! I stop my bike fast. I run to Alex. He is on the ground. He is holding his leg. He is crying. Help! I shout. My friend is hurt! People come to help. A lady says, I am a nurse. Let me see. She looks at Alex's leg. Don't move, she says. We need an ambulance. Someone calls for help. Soon, an ambulance comes. The helpers put Alex on a bed. I go with him. At the hospital, doctors look at Alex's leg. They take special pictures called X-rays. A doctor comes to talk to me. Your friend broke his leg, she says. He needs an operation. but he will be okay. I call Alex's parents. I tell them what happened. They are worried, but I say I will stay with Alex. Alex has his operation. He must stay in the hospital for 1 week. I visit him every day. I bring books to read, food from home, games to play, news from outside. The nurses are very nice. They take good care of Alex. After 1 week, Alex can leave. But he has a cast on his leg. He needs crutches to walk. Getting home is hard. We live on the 3rd floor. No elevator. We go very slowly, step by step. I'm sorry, Sam, says Alex. I'm causing so much trouble. Don't be silly, I say. Friends help friends. For 2 weeks, I help Alex. I cook food. I clean. I help him walk. Slowly, he gets better. Then, one day, good news. The police call. They found Alex's bag. A nice person found it and gave it to the police. Everything is still inside. See, I say. Good things happen too. After 1 month, Alex walks better. The doctor says he is healing well. Soon, he won't need crutches. Our school starts next week. We get ready. We buy school books, pencils and pens, notebooks, school uniforms. On the first day of school, we are nervous but excited. The school is big. There are many students. Hello, says our teacher. Welcome to London Academy. We meet new friends. We start our classes. Everything is in English. It is hard but fun. At the end of the day, we are tired but happy. We did it, Sam, says Alex. We are really students in London. Yes, I say. It was not easy. We got lost. You lost your bag. You broke your leg. But we did not give up. Alex smiles. We are a good team. The best team, I say. We walk home together. London is still big. It is still sometimes scary, but it is also exciting. It is our new home. We came to London with a dream. The dream was harder than we thought, but we are stronger now. We can do hard things. We can solve problems. We can help each other. Tomorrow we have more school. We have more to learn. We have more adventures waiting. But tonight, we are just 2 friends from Italy, living our dream in London, and that is enough.
Life lessons from Sam's London adventure. Dreams need courage and action. Sam didn't just wish for London. He talked to his parents, made plans, and worked hard to make it happen. True friendship means staying together through problems. When Alex lost his passport and broke his leg, Sam never left him alone and helped him every day. Every challenge makes you stronger. Getting lost, losing the bag, and the broken leg taught them they could handle anything together. Never give up when things go wrong. Even when everything seemed terrible, Sam and Alex kept trying until they succeeded in their dream. Thank you so much for joining Sam and Alex on their London adventure. If you enjoyed learning English through this story and want more exciting tales to improve your English, please subscribe to Learn English Tales and hit the bell icon to never miss a new story.